Hi everyone, hello, hope you're all well. Now if you remember last time we looked at the active buzzer and I did say we wouldn't look at the passive buzzer, but on reflection, because the passive buzzer works in a different way, it works on PWM, pulse width modulation, I thought we'd better go through it. Do a quick configuration, make so the tone goes up and down, and it's on a timer. It's on a timer. So let's go over to here. Now what I've done, remember we got the active buzzer, which has got the seal back and the label. Right, remove that, okay, and put in a passive buzzer. It's got no label. You can see the plus side. It's got a little plus. So what I've done, I've replaced the active buzzer with a passive buzzer, making sure that the plus is on the right hand side and it's going to the power. All right, it's going to the power, the plus sign. So that's all you need to do, is just change the buzzer over. All right, the buzzer over. So let's go over to here. All right, our coding view. Go through this as quick as we can, but don't want to make no mistakes. This part is the same because we're using pin 13, but a pin underscore buzzer, we're going to change to a buzzer underscore pin. All right, and that's on 13, and pin button is on 4. We need to put in a line of code here. Okay, HW underscore timer. All right, we have to tell it that we've got a timer underscore T. All right, space star space timer. All right, space equals null, all capitals, semicolon. All right, space. So that's telling, that's giving us the attribute, the timer attribute. Bool for Boolean. All right, is alerting, capital A E L E R T I. All right, is alerting, and that equals false, semicolon. All right, now we need a new function. Okay, and it's void. All right, space IRAM underscore attribute ATTR, all capitals. All right, space on timer, brackets on, brackets off. All right, curly brackets, enter. Just to make sure I know where I am, digital. Right. All right, digital right, brackets on, buzzer, underscore, pin, comma, space, exclamation mark, space, digital, a read, capital R on the read, brackets on, buzzer, underscore, pin. Okay, come outside the brackets, semicolon. All right, so that's our variables. Okay, that's our variables. Let's come to our void setup. And the first thing we've got to change is this around to buzzer underscore pin. Right, our buzzer pin is an output, and our pin underscore button is an input. All right, so remembering that this is things that we want to happen once, The next lines of code, use timer for 4 seconds from 0 and set the 80 divider for a pre-scaler. You'd have to look in the ESP32 technical reference manual for more information. All right, but what we want to do is timer space equals space a timer begin, capital B for the begin. All right, timer begin, brackets on, 0, comma, space 80, comma, a space true, small case. Come outside the brackets and it's a semicolon. All right, and now we need to attach the on timer function to our timer. So center, timer, attach, capital A on the attach, and then it's an interrupt. All right, interrupt, brackets on, should change color. Yeah, timer, attach, interrupt, and it's timer, comma, space, and, where's me and, yeah, on timer, capital T on the timer, brackets, sorry, comma, space, true. All right, come outside the brackets, semicolon. All right, so that's our 4 void setup commands. All right, and that's what we need. Let's come to the void loop. Let's come to the void loop. Right, and it's if digital read, brackets on, pin underscore button, brackets off, space equals, space low. We can now take this out. Let's come down a bit. Let's put some spaces in here so we can see. Curly brackets on. Space, enter. All right. Another if, space, brackets on, quotes, is alerting. Right, is alerting. Come outside the brackets. No semicolon. Same as above. If statement, no semicolons. Curly brackets on. Enter. So we're going to set the alarm to 1 millisecond to repeat. All right. So is alerting. Is alerting. Space equals true. Semicolons. Enter. Timer alarm enable. Timer, capital A, alarm enable. Capital E on the enable. Brackets on, timer. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. All right. We come to here, curly brackets, enter. And what we want here is an alert. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. And let's come down a bit. We then come to our else. Our else. We can take this a digital write out. And so on our else command, it's curly brackets on, enter. If, brackets on, is alerting, capital A, is alerting. Come outside the brackets, no semicolon, it's an if statement. and it's curly brackets on, enter, is alerting, equals false. Is alerting equals false, semicolon, enter. Timer alarm disable. Alarm. Oh, can't spell alarm. Capital D. Disable. Right. Timer alarm disable. Brackets on. Timer. Come outside the brackets. Semicolon. Enter. A digital write. Remember the capital W on the digital write. Brackets on. Buzzer. Underscore. Pin. Comma. Low. Come outside the brackets. Semicolon. All right. And then we got 3 curly brackets off. 1, 2, 3. Come outside there. Bring it down. Let's take it up a bit so you can see. All right, we'll start here. We now got a new function, void alert. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the brackets, curly brackets, enter. All right. Now we've got a thing called a float. All right. And that is sin val. Exclamation, semicolon. Int. Tone val. All right, this is all to do with the tone and this of the buzzer. All right, the passive buzzer. Enter. If space brackets on int space times space equals space 0 semicolon, enter, times less than space 360 semicolon x plus or equal to space 1. Come outside the brackets, remembering no semicolon on the if. Sorry, let me go back. Curly brackets on, enter. Sinval equals sin brackets on x star brackets on capital P I space / 180. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. There's a few more lines left, guys. Then it's enter. Tone val equals 2000 plus sinval star space 500 semicolon, enter. Time alarm write. Timer alarm capital A, write capital W, time alarm right, brackets on, timer, comma, space 50,000, space, / space, tone, val, comma, space, true. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. Then we'll have a delay of 1 millisecond. 1 millisecond. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. All right. So let's just have a quick look. Got our variables. Time begin. Okay. The time begin is set 80 divider to your prescaler. Okay. This attach the container. Sorry, attach the on timer function to our timer. All right. If alerting. In the loop. Okay. If is alerting. All right. The code to set the start timer to execute only when the key is pressed. Okay. So this is all to do with when the key is pressed. And then we got the else command. All right. We got the alert. All the values. To try and upload it. See what we got, any problems. Compiling. Sometimes on this board I have to I think I know what's wrong there. If void if alert. That's not an if statement. It's for int times 0, not if. All right, let's try again. Let's try again. Notice how much quicker things are compiling. And here we go. Let's press my right hand little button. Help with the uploading. And there we go. We're uploading. Yeah, upload onto the board. Okay. Let's just see what's happening for some reason. Upload it again. Just uploading it again. It didn't upload properly. Okay. There we go. And there we go. Can you hear that? Hopefully you can hear that. Hopefully you can hear that. Let's do it again. And there you go. And there you go. Well, took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to. But we got there in the end. Got it working. We only had that one little mistake. The four mistake. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something about pulse width modulation. Please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. Please subscribe. And comment below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.